Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil anbiya'i wal mursaleen. So now that we've seen these new letters and these long vowels, we want to try and refresh our memory of the various letters that we've seen and make sure that we can identify everything that we've seen so far. Right, so let's find these vowels in this exercise. So we have ba, ta, tha, 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, ha, jim, ha, kha, 1 dot below for the jim, no dots for the ha, 1 dot above for the kha, dal, dal, no dots for the dal, 1 dot for the dal, and then alif, waw, ya, and 2 dots underneath the ya. And we're going to notice that the ya actually is somewhat of a cousin or a relative of the ba, ta, and tha, because sometimes it would look exactly the same, save but for its dots. So we'll see that inshallah ta'ala. So here we have the word bab. Bab means a door. So here we have a ba. There's 1 dot underneath. So this is a ba. It has a fatha on it. So this is ba. It is extended to the sound ba by the alif. So this is ba and not ba. And then we see a ba at the end with 1 dot underneath. So this is bab, which means door or gate. Bab. Not bab. Bab. Bata, he spent the night. Bata sajidan, for example, he spent the night in prostration. Bata, bata. So this is a ba, exactly the same beginning. Ba with a dot, 1 dot underneath, a fatha on it, followed by an alif. So this is ba. And then we notice there's 2 dots here. So this is ta. So this is bata, bata. Batat. Batat, which means finalizing something. Batat, or completely forbidding something. Batat. So here we have a ba in the beginning with a fatha. So this is ba and not ba, because there's no alif after it. So this is ba and not ba. So we do not pronounce this batat, but rather batat. Batat. This is ba and not ba. It's short. This is long because we have a ta with 2 dots here, alif on top, and then we have a fatha on top followed by an alif, so it makes it long. So this is ta and not ta. So this is ba and this is ta. So this is ba, ta, t, batat, batat. Okay, and this is a ta, we have 2 dots on top. Tabitu, you spend the night. You spend a night. So this is a ta here with the fatha. So this is not ta, it's short ta, ta. So this is ta, has this fatha on top, ta. Bi, this is a ba with 1 dot underneath. And then we notice this is actually a ya. We haven't seen a ya in the middle of a word yet, but this is what a ya looks like in the middle. It looks just like the ta and the ba. Okay, but it's got 2 dots underneath. So what do we have now? We have the ta with 2 dots above. 3 dots above would be a tha. 1 dot below is a ba. 2 dots below is a ya. And what's the job of the ya so far? The job of the ya is to extend the kasra. So we get bi and then bi. So this is tabi, tabi. And then there's a ta. Khukh, which means a plum. Khukh. So here we have a kha. This is the ha jim kha shape with 1 dot above. So this is a khu. It has a dhamma, so khu. Followed by a waw, so it makes it longer. Khu. And then khukh. Khukh, which means plum. Okay, a plum, the fruit. Here we have the dal thal shape with 1 dot above. So this is the dha. It has a dhamma, so it's going to be dhu. And then it has a waw after it, so this makes it dhu. Dhu means somebody possessed of. You say somebody is dhu mal or dhu ilm, somebody of money or somebody of knowledge. Right? Dhu. And we have dha. This is the dal thal shape with a dot above. So this is dha. Has a fatha and then followed by an alif, so makes it dha. It has a number of meanings. One of the meanings is is also the somebody possessed of something. Could also mean something. You could refer to something and say dha jayyid, that's good, for example. And then we have the. So this is a dal shape with a dot above. So this is a the. It has a kasra, so that makes it the. And then that kasra is extended with a ya. So we have 2 dots here. So this is a ya. The. So not the. Right? Which also means somebody possessed of something. Can also mean something referred to as well. Hadid. Here we have a ha. There's no dot on top or below, so this is a ha. And it's not a kha, nor is it a ja. It has a fatha on top, so this is ha. And then there is a dal here. There's no dots above it, so this is a da and not a dha. And it is followed by, it's got a kasra, so it makes it di. We notice that it does not join to the following letter, because the dal is one of those letters that does not join. And then we have this ba ta tha shape, but with 2 dots underneath. So this is what? This is a ya. This is a ya. And the role of the ya here is to extend the kasra here. So to change it from hadi to hadi. Hadi. And then we have the dal shape at the end. Hadid, which means iron. Also means sharp. Sharp as in eyesight, or sharp as in something's sharp. Hadid. Had. Hadid is iron. Now we can change the word completely with just 1 dot to make it jadid. Jadid. This is with 1 dot beneath. This is a ja, which means new. Jadid. Jadid. Exactly the same. Dal and all the same here. This is deed and this is ja. So jadid, which means new. Jadid. Khudh. Khudh. So this is a kha here. It's got 1 dot above. So we know this is a kha. It's got the dhamma there. So this is khu. And this is a dhal shape here. Khudh. Khudh. Which means take. Khudh. Right? And not khuz. Z is a different sound. This is th, not z. And not th. So we say khuth. Nor do we say khuz, rather khudh, khudh. Khudhi, khudhi, which also means take, but it's addressing a female. Khudhi. So we have exactly the same here. This is the same kha here with the dom on top. Now this word, the dal here has a kasra, so it's khudhi, and then the ya is extending it. Khudhi. Khudhi, take. We have another word here, hub, which means love. Hub. So we have a ha here. We know this is a ha because there's no dots above or below. And it has a dhamma, so this is hu. And then we have a ba here with 1 dot underneath. This is hub, which means love. Hub. We have another word that's related, which is the word hubub, which means seeds, obviously, because the love is sown, just like seeds are sown, and it grows just like plants grow. Hubub. Hubub means seeds. So this is a ha here with a dhamma on top, hu, and this is bu, and then it's extended with a waw, hubu, and then hubub. Hubub. Seeds. Habib. The Prophet ﷺ is our Habib, our beloved. Habib means somebody who's beloved. Here we have our ha with no dots on top, with a fatha on top, so this is ha. And then we have our ba with 1 dot below, with a kasra, so this is habi. And then it's extended by a ya, so this is a ba, ta, tha, ya shape, with 2 dots underneath. So I know this is not a ta, and it's not a tha, and it's not a ba, but rather this is a ya, and it's extending the kasra here. Habib. And then we have a ba at the end. Habib. And we can change the word drastically by changing the dots. Hathith. From the word hatha. Yahuthu, to encourage somebody. Hathith, someone who's very keen. Very keen. Hathith. completely different word now. Hathith. So it's the same ha, but this is now a tha. Hathith. So here the tha is being extended, the kasra on the tha is being extended by the ya to get hathith. Right? Were we to take out the ya, how would it sound? Hathith. 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 Right? It's quite different. And again, we can tell the difference here with the word the. Right? It's completely different. It's not a the sound, it's a th sound because there's no buzzing sound. The difference between a the and a tha is the buzz sound. Habibat. Habibat. So this is a ha here with a fatha on top. So this is ha. This is a ba sound with a kasra, b. Then we have a ya with two dots underneath. So this is extending the kasra here, habib. And then we have the word ba, fatha here, habiba. And then it's being extended, habibat. Habibat. And then ta at the end, habibat. Which means, habib means beloved, and habibat means beloved ones, but it's a feminine plural, referring to beloved ones who are female. Habibat. Khaba. Khaba. So this is a kha here with one dot on top. Has a fatha. The fatha is being extended by the alif. Kha. And then ba with the fatha. Ba. Khaba. Which means he came to ruin. Khaba. Takhibu. Takhibu. She comes to ruin. Here we have a ta here. Ta with the fatha. Ta. Kha with the fatha with the kasra here. Khi. We add in the ya. Khi. Takhibu. Takhibu. She comes to ruin. Takhibu. Were we to cut out the ya? Takhibu. 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 Right, so you can see the difference between the long and the short vowel. Juhud. Juhud. Juhud is denial. This is a jeem here, has one dot underneath. This is jeem, ju. Here's a ha here, because there's no dots above or below, so this is ha with a dhamma, hu, ju, hu, and then this wow is extending the dhamma, juhud, juhud. Were we to take out the wow, juhud, juhud, but it's not juhud, it's juhud, juhud. Right. This is a dal. We know it's a dal because there's no dots. This is the dal vowel shape with no dots, so this is a dal, juhud. Jahid. Jahid is a denier, somebody who's in denial. So again, we have a jeem here with a fatha on top, so this is ja. It's being extended by the alif, ja. And then we have the ha here with kasra, hi. And then we have the dal, jahid. So this is long, and this is short. Jahid. Right? Not jahid, jahid. Right? Not similarly jahid. There's no ya here, so it's not jahid, it's jahid. How long vowels work with those three letters, the ya, alif, the ya, and the waw. We've seen that some letters connect in different ways, and we've looked for letters and vowels in the exercise. وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله